Hello everyone, since I released my first YouTube video yesterday and there was quite some time going into replacing a sky from an image, with the new release of Photoshop 2021 we got a new solution and it's basically a two-click solution. It just takes a couple of seconds. I already opened the image and now all you have to do is you go on Edit, Sky Replacement, and that's it. Basically you saw me using this one, but you can choose whatever sky you want. You can even upload your own pictures. So I hope that helped. There was a very quick one. If you liked it, leave me a like, subscribe, and feel free to leave some comments. Peace out.